Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best granulated sugar is probably one of the most ubiquitous and essential ingredients in any kitchen, yet choosing the right one can be surprisingly complex. From the subtle differences in taste and texture between brands to the various processing methods and potential health implications, this video will delve into the world of granulated sugar, helping you navigate the supermarket aisles and make informed decisions for your baking, cooking, and overall well-being. Number 5. JUDEE'S Superfine Sugar. It's the perfect sugar for all your baking needs. It's delicious, gluten-free, and adds sweetness to any recipe. This extra-fine sugar is ideal for light desserts like tiramisu and meringues. It also elevates syrups and toppings. Add it to your coffee or tea for an extra touch of sweetness. It's a simple way to enhance your favorite drinks. It's made in a dedicated gluten-free facility, ensuring the highest quality and delicious taste. Plus, it's GMO-free and preservative-free. This bulk-sized pouch keeps it fresh and provides plenty for all your baking projects. It's convenient and easy to store. Since 2009, we've been providing bakers with high-quality ingredients. We believe delicious baking starts with the best ingredients. What we like? Its superfine texture is perfect for delicate desserts. If you are looking for a gluten-free option for baking, this is it. The resealable pouch keeps it fresh, making it a great value for frequent bakers. What people say? The sugar is very high quality and superfine consistency. This superfine sugar was perfect for the molasses cookies I make. It creamed into the butter very well. Number 4. Anthony's Organic Sugar. It's USDA certified organic, ensuring the highest quality and purity. It's also gluten-free and non-GMO, perfect for health-conscious consumers. This granulated sugar is perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. Its light blonde color adds a touch of elegance to your creations. Each batch is rigorously tested to guarantee it's gluten-free. You can trust it's safe and reliable for your family. It's made from pure organic cane sugar, with absolutely no preservatives, artificial ingredients, or dyes. Taste the difference nature makes. It's great for baking, sprinkling on your favorite desserts, brewing kombucha, or sweetening your tea and coffee. The possibilities are endless. This 3-pound bag provides a generous supply of this versatile sweetener for all your culinary needs. Enjoy. What we like? This one is USDA certified organic, non-GMO, and vegan. If you prioritize organic and sustainable ingredients, this sugar is your best choice. It's perfect for those with dietary restrictions or who prefer natural products. What people say? Great flavor, organic sugar. I really appreciate pure cane sugar rather than refined sugar. Taste is great and has worked well in recipes. Great tasting cane sugar. Probably the best I've tried. Number 3. Domino Granulated Sugar. This is Domino Granulated White Sugar, perfect for all your sweetening needs. It's extra fine, free-flowing, and of the highest quality. It's made from premium pure cane sugar, ensuring a delicious and consistent sweetness in all your recipes. This versatile sugar is ideal for various uses, from sweetening your morning coffee to baking your favorite cakes. Use it for baking, preserving, canning, or sweetening your beverages. It's the perfect all-purpose sugar for all your culinary creations. It does not contain any of the 8 major allergens, making it a safe and delicious choice for everyone. Available in a convenient 4-pound bag. Please note that packaging may vary. What we like? It's extra fine and free-flowing, making it ideal for all your baking and sweetening needs. If you need a versatile sugar for various uses and have allergies, this is a safe and reliable option. It's perfect for everyday use and various culinary applications. What people say? Taste: Domino Granulated White Sugar delivers a classic, clean sweetness that enhances a wide range of recipes. Its pure, unadulterated flavor makes it an excellent choice for baking, cooking, or simply sweetening beverages. Texture: the sugar has a fine, uniform texture that dissolves easily in liquids, making it ideal for both cooking and baking. It blends seamlessly into recipes without any noticeable graininess. The packaging is convenient, and I trust Domino to deliver high-quality sugar every time. Number 2. 365 Organic Sugar. It's here. Our organic sugar meets our high-quality standards, ensuring a delicious and wholesome addition to your baking and cooking. We're proud to offer it because it meets our rigorous quality standards, prohibiting over 100 ingredients. You can trust in its purity. It's made with premium ingredients, providing that perfect sweetness to elevate your culinary creations. It's more than just tossing basics in your cart, it's about premium choices at prices you'll love. Discover the joy of grocery shopping. It's an Amazon brand, bringing you the quality and selection you expect from Whole Foods Market, right to your door. Looking for recipe inspiration? Visit WFM.com recipes for countless ways to use it in your favorite dishes. What we like? It's an organic sugar from a trusted brand known for its quality standards. If you value high-quality organic ingredients and trust the Whole Foods Market brand, this is a great option. It ensures a delicious and wholesome addition to your recipes. What people say. The taste was delicate and the color was very subtle light brown. Out of all the brands of natural sugar, this is the best brand. It gives another type of taste to anything you would want sugar in. Dissolves quickly. Tastes great. Good quality. Number 1. Domino Pure Cane Sugar. This is Domino Pure Cane Sugar, perfect for all your sweetening needs. It's made from 100% pure cane for a naturally delicious taste. The granulated texture makes it easy to measure and incorporate into your favorite recipes. Enjoy the convenience and quality. It's the perfect choice for baking, cooking, and sweetening your beverages. Add a touch of sweetness to your life. This bag provides a generous 4 pounds of sugar, ideal for home use. It's a great value for your money. Made from 100% pure cane sugar, it offers a clean, natural sweetness without artificial additives. Taste the difference quality makes. You can trust Domino for consistent quality and purity. It's the perfect sugar for all your baking and cooking needs. What we like? It's a classic granulated pure cane sugar that comes in a convenient 4 pounds bag. If you need a large quantity of high-quality granulated sugar for baking or other uses, this is a cost-effective choice. It's perfect for those who bake frequently or need a large supply of sugar. What people say. I like that none of the 4 bags had a tear. It's just sugar. Well, it's sugar. I use it for my tea and coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.